guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you some items from J&G Clothing. Okay, so guys, before that, first I want to thank Ohpieart for making some cute chibi for me. So here are the chibis. And here's another one. And here's another one. Okay. Yeah, so thank you again, Ohpieart. You're so amazing and keep up the good work. Okay, so guys, if you also want some chibi art, just contact her via IG, Instagram. You can ask her for the details on what picture or how much is the chibi. So just contact her, guys. So I will attach the name of her IG down below. Okay, so now on for the items. Okay, so guys, again, this is from J&G Clothing. So look at this cute packaging, diba guys? So friendly, eco-friendly. So here there's a tag, thank you. Okay, so let's open this and let's see the items. I will also attach, guys, the IG account of J&G. So if you also want to order. Okay, so this is the first item, guys. Oh, look at this cute top. So this is so cute. This is so nice. Okay, and I like the design, guys. So this is so nice. Also, I'm going to shoot some photos and post it on my Instagram so you can see, guys. So better follow me on Instagram, okay? So look at that. Okay, so next item. Okay, so this one is a dress. Can you see, guys? It looks so cute. I feel like I'm a high school student. Like I'm a high school student, guys. It's so cute. So here is the bottom, guys. There's the cute design here with the big buttons. Yeah. So check out for my post on IG, guys. So I will post some pics that I'm wearing this. Okay, this one's a skirt. High waist skirt, guys. Also with the big buttons. This is so cute, guys, in person. I look like a high school student. Okay. But that's okay. That's fine. I like that. Yeah, look. Next item is also a skirt. A high waist skirt. And the back side is garterized, guys. And you can put a belt. There's a for belts. This is also high waist. Oh, I like their clothes, guys. I like the design. It's so cute. It's really so cute, guys. On to the next item. Okay, let's see. Oh, this one's also a skirt, but this time it has a belt design. Okay, this is also a high waist skirt. Oh, so cute. See, I hope you can see it, guys, but this is so cute. And here is the zipper at the side. So it's not garterized, but that's fine. Okay. And the belt design is so cute. Oh, next item is a jumper dress. It's long, it's very long, guys. Oh. Oh my god, I wish I'm taller. Okay, but that's okay. I will still post a photo using this. Okay, so this is, I need a shirt for this, right guys? So I will find some cute shirt or long sleeves for this. But this is so nice. It's like walking in the park when you're wearing this, right? So guys, these are all the clothes that I got from J&G Clothing. So guys, if you also want this kind of clothes or design of tops and skirts, just follow them on IG, JnG Clothing. I will attach a link in their name in Instagram. Okay guys? And please follow me on Instagram too, so you can check out my pictures wearing these clothes. Okay guys? So thank you so much for watching. And guys, stay safe. Love you. Bye!